everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede BBQ, and today we're making smoked pork belly burnt ends. So I got a beautiful 10-pound pork belly here that looks pretty even in thickness. So the only thing that I'm gonna do to it is try to take off some of the areas where you have really excessive amount of fat. I'm gonna trim off some of the silver skin and just square it up to make it look nice. And then I'm gonna start slicing it into 1-inch cubes. When you slice the pork belly cubes, you wanna try to make them equal in size. So when all the pork has been cubed up, it's time to seasoning it. And you can of course go with any commercial barbecue rub that you like that is made for pork. We are gonna use our Big Swede BBQ Badass Pork Boost. And you're looking for something with heat, sweet, and a lot of paprika that will bring out that beautiful red color in the pork belly burnt end. You wanna give the pork belly a good seasoning on all sides. So before I put the pork belly in the smoker, I like to place them on one of these oven racks that you can buy at any grocery store. And the reason why I do this is because it will elevate the pork cubes a little bit and create better air circulation underneath, and it will just smoke and cook a whole lot more even. You want to set up your Memphis Wood Fire Grill to 235 degrees smoke mode. I like to use cherry pellets because that helps create that beautiful red color as well. We are going to smoke this now uncovered for about 3 hours. The pork belly cubes have now been in the Memphis Wood Fire Grill for about 3 hours and they have a beautiful red color. So now it's time to add some more goodness to it. Place the pork belly in a clean disposable aluminum pan. Toss with half of the barbecue sauce, the butter, the brown sugar, and the honey. Then you want to cover this with aluminum foil and put it back in the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. Cook for another hour or so until the meat gets up to 203, 205 Fahrenheit. So the pork belly has been in the smoker now for about an hour and a half. I took it out, I temped it, and they're sitting at 203, 204. So the last thing that we want to do now is to toss them with the rest of the barbecue sauce and put it back for another 15 minutes. And that is how you make smoked pork belly burnt end. And I think the only thing left for me to do now is to try these pork bellies and burnt ends and see what they taste like. Oh. Melt in your mouth goodness. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.